Hey guys, it's your girl Naja and I am back with another video. In today's video, I'm just going to be showing you guys how I bleach the knots on this 5x4 lace frontal. It is an HD frontal. If you guys are interested, just stay tuned. I've been thinking about you. So I have a 4x5 closure. It's HD laced, very clear, transparent, but I still need to bleach the knot. I'm not sure if you can see it very well, but yeah, still need to bleach the knots, even though the lace is very transparent. So that's what I'm about to do here. I have some Clear Out Professional BW2. And I just use one pack. I think I got it all out. Maybe I didn't. Alright, and I have some Clear Out Professional Pure White 40 Developer. And I am not measuring really. I'm just gonna mix it up till it's like kind of thick. Like the consistency of like a toothpaste. And paint it on very lightly because I don't want it to go through the lace. And I have baby hair for here. I'm not going to take it up that far. And lightly. You can see it. And please don't forget to subscribe. I love you guys, to the moon and back. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace. Alright, you guys, so I'm not sure why I chose not to wear gloves. It's beyond me. I made it difficult on myself because it was hard to touch and flip and hold it how I needed to without the gloves, but that was on me. Anyway, what I'm going to do is go ahead and, now that I'm finished, flip this over, and I'm going to go ahead and let it sit for about 30 minutes in this foil. Once that's done, as you can see now, I am rinsing, well, washing. I have some neutralizing shampoo. I'm going to go ahead and wash the lace and the hair, and then I'm going to go ahead and condition it as well. And then I let it air dry. I will show you guys towards the end what it looks like now that the knots are bleached. But that's about it, you guys. Once I was done, like I said, I let it air dry before I applied it to my client's head, and it was just that simple. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you want more videos like this, please let me know down in the comments below. Please like, please share, and please don't forget to subscribe. As always, you guys, I love you to the moon and back. I appreciate all the support and positive feedback. Please, 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 like I said, don't forget to subscribe. And that's about it, you guys. I love you to the moon and back, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.